Good morning, students. Today, welcome to English class, ninth standard English, from 0 to infinity, from 0 to infinity, biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. What do you know about the Srinivasa Ramanujan? Did you enjoy, general, did you enjoy solving the problem? Take your English textbook, page number 152. There is one solving puzzle. 324321314. How will you solve? Did you enjoy means really you enjoyed solving the problem puzzle. Was it easy or hard to solve this? Looking after this puzzle, is it easy or tough? Yes, it was easy only. Did you like mathematics? Give reason. Generally, mathematics means you have to use your mind. But here, according to Srinivasa Ramanujan, he likes mathematics. Same thing here. You like mathematics as it is the exciting. So, in general, mathematics teachers are very, very strict. Now, we will go to the English lesson. What do you understand from this English lesson? Lesson from 0 to infinity. Infinity means முடிவிலி வரை. 0 பூஜ்ஜியம். பூஜ்ஜியம் முதல் infinity. முடிவிலி வரை. By Srinivasa Ramanujan. ராமானுஜனின் சரிதை. அதாவது ஒரு பசல் வார்ம்-அப் கொஸ்டின் ஆயத்தப்படுத்துதல். இதை தீர்ப்பதில் உனக்கு மகிழ்கிறாயா? தீர்ப்பதற்கு இது எளிதில் உள்ளதா அல்லது கடினமாக உள்ளதா? அல்லது நீ கணிதத்தை நீ விரும்புகிறாயா? அதுதான் இதனுடைய இந்த பசிலோட தமிழாக்கம். Now we'll go to the lesson. From 0 to infinity means here the theme inborn intelligence with diligence leads to excellence. Once again I'll repeat. Inborn intelligence with diligence leads to excellence. That means genius does what it must and talent does what it can. Genius does what it must, talent does what it can. So there is no great genius without some touch of madness. Fellowship happens when mercy wins over justice. According to Ramanujan, fellowship happens when mercy wins over justice. Then attitude is greatly shaped by influence and association. Attitude is greatly shaped by influence and association. Usually, a good communication is the best medicine for healthy association. Good communication. That means, according to Ramanujan, he has sent a letter to J.H. Hardy with 120 theorems and formulas. Hardy and Littleworth discovered a rare mathematical genius. They arranged for Ramanujan's passage as say at Cambridge University. He found himself a stranger at Cambridge. In their company, he could forget the hardship he endured. In him, Hardy found an unsystematic mathematician lacking formal education. Only sheer genius led him to mathematical truth. He was selected fellow of the Royal Society on February 28, 1918. So, he was the youngest Indian to receive this distinguished fellowship. We look at the picture. Look at the picture. In October that year, he became the first Indian to be elected Fellow of Trinity College, Cambridge. His achievements include the Hardy Ramanujan Littlewood Circle method in number theory. Due to an incurable disease, then tuberculosis, he was sent back to India. To forget the agonizing pain, he continued to play with numbers even on his deathbed. That means a good communication is the best medicine for healthy association. Now the we will see the Ramanujam was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu on December 22nd, 1887. From early childhood, it was evident that he was a prodigy. Senior students used to get his assistance in solving maths problems. At the age of 13, he began his own research on trigonometry. The book Elementary Results in Pure Applied Mathematics by Geography Shoebridge caught figures the genius in Ramanujan. He used to do problems on loose sheets and enter the results in notebooks, which are now famous as Ramanujan's trade notebooks. Although Ramanujan secured a first class in mathematics in the matriculation examination and was awarded the Subramanian Scholarship, he failed twice in his first year arts examination in college, as he neglected other subjects such as history, English, and physiology. He searched for job for food and papers to do calculations. The director of Madras Board Trust gave a clerical job to Ramanujan on a monthly salary of Rs 25. Ramanujan sent a letter to great mathematician G. H. Hardy, Cambridge University. Hardy and his colleague Littlewood realized that they had discovered a rare mathematical genius. So, Ramanujan's achievements include Hardy and circle method in number theory. Mathematics teacher was teaching and solving concepts in division. She drew three bananas on the blackboard and she pointed to three boys who were there and asked them how many each would get. A smart student quickly answered that each would get one. After appreciating the student's answer, the teacher introduced a similar instance of 1,000 bananas, distributing among 1,000 bananas boys, where each would again get one. While the teacher was explaining, a boy seated in one corner, who was none other than Ramanujan, asked an intriguing question, wherein if no banana was distributed among no one, would everyone still get one banana? Ramanujan was selected in the fellowship of Royal Society on February 28th. So he is also a popular with Roger Ramanujan's identity. A long list of the highest composite numbers, besides works on the number theory and the algebra of inequalities, are also his noted achievements. In algebra, his work on continued fractions is considered on par with great mathematicians like Leonhard Euler and Jacobi. Mathematical ideas flooded Ramanujan's mind, he was not able to write all of them down. He solved problems on loose sheets of paper, slate, and jotted the results down in notebooks. Before he went abroad, he had filled three notebooks, later known as Ramanujan's fate notebooks. His father, who found him scribbling, mistook him to be mad. He had to find money for food and papers to do calculation. Every month he needed at least 2,000 sheets of paper. He started using scraps of paper found lying on the street. Sometimes he even wrote using red ink over used papers found on the street. And then each about the banana. Each will get one banana. Arithmetical ideas. Next one. You understood the trick. Do you understand? Yes. The students are listening. An equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God, he says. More science poets at today in science history says today's science. Now, so far we have seen about the importance of mathematics. Now we will see some critics what they know. Maths generally improves problem solving abilities. Teacher is clearer logical reasoning, sharpens concentration and observance, develops confidence and self-esteem. Maths is an important part of our lives. Through this lesson, because in the future you will get a job that deals with math. So math is pretty much in everything you do. Really, math is important because it is the most widely used subject in the world. Every career uses some sort of maths. So knowing basic maths principles keeps you from having to carry around a calculator because good use of maths allows you to do many calculations in your head. Same thing. There are so many questions about this. Yeah, memorable anecdote, incidents, if anything happens in your life, you can what? Now, for me, according to me, you have to give the importance to the maths. How? There are so many critics define about the maths. Now, once again I'll repeat. And inconvenience about the learning maths means really you are very uh, not an intelligent, lazy only. So absurd means an unreasonable and silly. What do you mean by infinity? Is a noun. Unlimited space, time, amount, a number large beyond any limit. In the next class, we will see about the question answer, about the book back exercises and question answer. Thank you for listening.